Alright, today we are picking a MTL. I think this lock has spools in it. Pretty sure. It's a LFIC, so it's probably got some mastering. Not a big deal. The reason I'm wearing gloves right now is for the HV Logic 100 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to pick this lock with gloves on, and I'm going to gut it with gloves on, which is going to be horrible on a FSIC cylinder. But let's get this going, and maybe I don't make a fool of myself if I can pick up my tensioner. And I can't. Okay. We're going to... I don't want to tension clockwise. I want to tension counterclockwise so that I can tension against the spools. I prefer to pick from the right side of the keyway on MTLs. Oh, this is going to be horrible. Oh, this is so bad. Okay. Pretty sure this is an interactive, I think. I don't know, I don't remember where the key's at for it. I think that I may have already overset something. How is that even possible? I'm getting clicks out of stuff, but I'm not getting any real binders. Okay, there's a binder. Let's reposition. Let's try that again. Try with a little less tension. It's kind of hard to gauge tension with a pair of gloves on. Come on, pin 5. Okay, I think I got 5 set, 4 set. Got a minor false set. Should be on spools now. Oh yeah, there we go. Counter rotation. Deeper false set. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, there's a spool there. There's 3 spools that I've counted so far. Pin 1 is set. Pin 1 is giving, or pin 2 is giving some great counter rotation. Alright, pin 2 is set. Outer, pin 2. I dropped something in the process, so either that or I'm now on the inner pins. Yeah, I think all the outers are set. Maybe pin 1? Getting some counter rotation, just a tad. I dropped something in the process. Drop pin 5. Okay, that was a spool. Okay, pin 1 is set. 2 is set. Pin 3 outer is set. Pin 4 outer is set. Alright, false set. I should be on inners now. Problem is my feedback is crap, so I can't tell what's binding. Okay, it's not pin 1. You gotta click out a pin 2 enter. Okay, still in false set. Something is funky here. It's not pin 1. I'm just overlifting the crap out of pin 2, hoping that it's an interactive, and that's my problem. Well, I just spun my pick. That was fun. Let me switch to a slightly narrower pick. Let's see if I can get inside those inners. Okay, I gotta click out pin 4, slightly deeper false set. 3 is giving me a little feedback. I'm gonna start from the beginning. It's kind of hard to keep count. My feedback is crap. I don't know if this lock is an interactive or not. It doesn't feel like pin 2 is high enough for an interactive. Oh, come on. I'm missing an enter somewhere. Alright, let's crank the tension. I'm turning the whole lock body. Something has to be binding. I think it's pin 2. Get my longer hook out, or my longer dimple flag. I don't understand how this lock's not open right now. I'm missing an enter or something somewhere. There we go. MTL, I believe it's an interactive, might be a classic. Ooh, I almost took my gloves off. Ooh, almost messed up. Let's gut it. We're gonna use our Diggs brass spray. Don't mind the other parts on there right now. Okay. This Schlage back cap is about to be a nightmare. I have no dexterity right now. Okay, let's see. Let's clamp it up in the vise. Use a hook to poke it. There we go. Okay, nothing flew. I should probably find my follower for this. Maybe even my key would be smart. But we'll do it keyless. Oh, I just dropped a piece. I should probably find my tweezers. Oh, it's horrible. Okay. I haven't even got the guts out yet. Okay, so key pins should be on this side. Yep, I see key pins. So I should be safe to gut from this direction. And rip. I'm a dumbass. Well, you guys get to see me unbreak a lock with gloves on, because I'm an idiot. So what happened, there are nice little holes in the bottom of the keyway. My driver pins just fell into those holes. Maybe I can get lucky and I can tension it and just lift the driver pins. But I don't think so. Maybe I can just overlift them. Maybe. Nope, that's not gonna work. Oh yeah, they're stiff as shit. Okay. I wonder if I can get this brass cover off. I feel like that cover should be coming off. I just can't get under it. Give me pointy boy. Let's try LLT chonker hook. Nope, brass cover is not coming off. Set this to the side. Hopefully, just hopefully, it's just a couple inner pins. I'm going to stick a tensioner in it and hope I can get enough rotation to bind this thing and pick those inner pins that have dropped down. Nope, need more of a point. This is horrible. Why did I do this? Which one is it? That one maybe? Nope, I need a deeper hook. Okay, it's not that one. It's not that one. It's not that one. Seems like it's that one. Come on. I'm an idiot. It wasn't brick. The fucking finger pin for the control key was hung on the threads. Should I say that? Well, that is definitely a driver. Something just fell out. See that, or something I already had laying here. Okay, key pins are on that side. What is down in my keyway? I keep dropping inner key pins and master wafers. That is what you guys keep hearing drop because I'm an idiot and I hate MTL. Problem is now, what in the hell is holding me up? It's funny. You guys are sitting here thinking this thing's fucked. I just haven't resorted to the drill yet. I think I won't drill a crappy lock for a 70mm Lockwood. Okay. I don't see any driver pins down this keyway right now. So if there's something in there, it's going to be if this thing comes apart, it's going to look like sad ass all over again. Okay. There's been about 4 times that I've been tempted to take my gloves off and fuck this, but we're not giving up that easy. Okay, I'm going to tilt my vise over this way so that all those key pins drop out of the way. I'm going to get my follower back here as a pusher. Let me tighten down. Oh shit. Tighten down the core a little more. Okay, I have pressure. Let's find a pick. Okay, let's try going the other way with it. I'm going to try pushing the core back in. As long as... Okay, it's not going to be that one. It's not that one. It's not that one. It's got to be that one. What the hell is that? Made some progress. Need something a little more long and pokey. Let's try this. Okay, that method is not working. And I do not understand what is holding me up. really trying my best not to drill this thing today. We're getting to that point. Let me try sticking something long and skinny down there, down these holes. If I have something. All right, I give up. That's all I got. So, here's what we're about to do. We're going to do this, and then we're going to grab a screwdriver I don't give a crap about. We're going to knock this MTL front plug off, and then we're going to hammer that brass cover out. And as a hammer, I'm going to use an MTL C13. It's hardened, right? Okay. Okay, cap is off. Hammer is intact. Let's get this brass cover off. Looks like it's just crimped in, so I should be able to get an appropriate sized screwdriver or other similar sized device and just hammer it on out of there. Let's go this way, because I'm betting that's the way it's installed. Ha 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 ha. Alright, here we go. But it wants to hang up on everyone. It's a good thing I've got spare MTL springs, because I just launched that sucker across the room. Let's see what's in chamber 1 for a driver. Spool driver. Chamber 2 spring. Chamber 3 spring. Oh, come on. Oh, and of course my screwdriver's magnetized. Of course. Okay. Pin 2 driver. Okay. Let me kick it back a little more here, and okay, 3 should be free. Looks like my springs have a little bit of magnetism to them. Let's see what's in chamber 3. Ooh, driver and a master pin. Come on, tweezers. Guessing that is for the control section, maybe, of this lock, because it's got a no, because it's a Schlage style, so it would be just a nub on the end of the key. 4. Okay, let's get 4 out of there. There we go. Another spool. Good thing I know a locksmith with MTL parts. Okay, you're gonna be a nightmare. That's fine. That's fine. We have tools for that. Alright, we have one driver pin left, and that is, well, actually two, because the control pin. And then I have the fun task of trying to figure out how to get this thing back together. And 5 was a regular driver pin. See if we can get the core out now. We should be able to. Let's make sure I know where the key pins are. Key pin should be on this side. We're going to find out. Okay, key pins. One appears to be a solid pin. Mastered, I guess. I don't really know MTLs that well. Two. Yeah, pin number 1 didn't have a pin and pin like normal MTLs. Come on. My glove's in the way. Eh. Okay. And pin 5, pin. Ooh. All the things fell out right then. I have no idea where these pins go. There? That was horrible. HV Logic, I hope you're happy. You did this. Look what you caused this poor lock. Everybody go enter HV Logic's giveaway, and please don't do what I did.